Hey YouTubers, New Year's Day, I'm going to do a little bike video. I guess that's somewhat in the right place. We'll turn the choke on. I done got the gas on. Let me set my phone down for a second. Well, get my fingers to working right. Get this biatch going, then we'll be trigger finger. Trigger finger's a weird thing. I have to pop it open when it gets stuck. But I'm gonna run somewhere close to get me something for lunch. So here we go. We'll walk out to the end of the street and get my ride on. Alright, kickstand up. There we go. Better pedal a little bit to kind of help until I get up this hill. There we go. There's some yards tore up with mold. I've got them, but thank God they ain't got real bad yet. Well, I better shut up bragging right now, because if I don't, I'll go home and the yard will be destroyed. Alright, we got this one. Show some views of the old bike. I've made this little cheesy wire fixture to hold my phone and my shirt. Not the best, but it works. Talk about a traffic light. Haven't had this out in about a week. Had a little bit of a vertigo spell. She held me up for a couple days. And the weather. Had that pretty good sized snow. Pretty cold. The snow wasn't big, but the cold was unreal. But here it is, New Year's Day. Good Lord, that guy's chain skipping and jumping on that rice rocket. And therein lies one of the many reasons I can't stand chains. They jump off from being out of line, they wear, which people call stretching, but it's actually wearing, where a belt can go forever. I've got a belt on here that came out of the junk. I don't know how old it is, at least 30 years, maybe more. I use whatever I bring home out of the garbage from work and go right on using it. They never have to be tightened, they never have to be adjusted. The old dog will still hunt. this one out. Sometimes I can time them out where I don't have to stop and slip the clutch. People get on me about running stops all the time, and I tell them I'm well aware of what I'm doing. I watch way out ahead of me, and if I get a break, I chop right on in unless the popo's right there. Just like right now. If that were a stop sign, I would have no problem running it. I don't feel bad about it. I wouldn't suggest it to others, but I know what I'm doing. Alright, that car's backing out. This car's getting their food. So it's open season for me to jump right up here. And go to my parking spot. There she is, in all its screaming glory. Let's see, I gotta stop and think. There we go. Each one's a little different than the next. Okay folks, thanks for watching. See you next time.